What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas, the World Trade Center. This is the Samsung Experience Center, which is actually open all of the time by appointment only. So if you guys see anything that you would like to purchase in this space, call us today and schedule an appointment. You can fly in and we will walk you through the entire space and host the experience. This is a really cool thing that Samsung did, actually showing all of the products integrated into basically a real life scenario, ways that you would see it in your own home. So if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, I'm going to be bringing Jeff, the Samsung Experience Center representative, onto the video here in just a minute. Let's go! Alright guys, I'm going to be bringing Ryan, the Samsung Experience representative, onto the video today, and he's going to walk you through this space so that you can kind of get the lowdown on all of the cool and exciting technology that's built into this space. Alright, over to Ryan.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. Welcome to my, my sandbox. I'm very happy to see you here today. So let me show you a little bit about what we got going on here. So this is one of the things that everybody likes to see here. We have a 98-inch 8K TV that's been fully integrated into the space. It's even flush mounted into the space. It's on a articulating mount that's here in our acoustically treated wall. This is one of our new panels actually for this year. This is a 55-inch QN90 mini LED TV. This is one of our best-selling TVs and certainly one of our best-performing 4K TVs that we have this year. Super thin profile, super thin bezel, very high contrast, and amazing black level. All right, let's keep on going. Excuse our mess as we're in the middle of a show here. This is a TV that you don't often see a lot. This is a 55-inch Serif TV. If you look at the profile, you can see why it's called the Serif, kind of like the letter I. This is definitely for somebody that wants a TV that doesn't look like a TV. It looks completely unlike everything else that's on the market. Very high style, but still has great picture quality. We walk past the kitchen. Obviously Samsung does a full array of appliances as well. We showcase that here in the space. Welcome to my little frame gallery. Lots of frame TVs in here and then lots of art. So we worked with a local Dallas artist who provided the art not only on canvas but actually gave us the digital stills as well to mount around it to give it a kind of a gallery effect.
Yeah, this is that TV that actually spins, right?
Yeah, this is a Sero TV that spins. So its normal orientation is upright just like this, but when you're watching TV, it will spin 90 degrees so that you see it normally widescreen.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I saw that a couple years ago at Cedia.
Yep.
Got me excited.
So we always like to bring people in here and have them guess which ones are TVs and which ones aren't. So what do you think? Can you pick them all out?
I think so.
Okay, shoot.
All right, we got one here.
Yep, that one is definitely.
And we got one here.
That one is, yep.
I think that's it.
Oh, you're missing 4.
No way.
Yeah. So this one is.
Okay, I couldn't tell.
This one is.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
32. And the other 32.
Wow. All right, you had me fooled for sure.
Well, hey, you know, I mean, somebody that looks at displays all day long, they can get fooled just as easily as an end user that's not looking at displays all day long.
Yeah.
And that's the whole idea, concept behind Frame TV is we want to give people the opportunity to do something interesting with their TV when they're not watching it.
Yeah.
Because as screen sizes get bigger and bigger and bigger, that black rectangle gets ever larger on your wall. And so why not do something interesting? That's what Frame's all about.
That's so cool. Yeah, guys, so that's the deal here with the Engineering Art Center is that you can come in and find some inspiration as to what you might want to do in your own home. So all on schedule with our sales reps, and we'll meet up with you up here at the World Trade Center and walk you through this space personally and find products that fit your exact space. All right. What else do we got here?
All right, this is 85QN900. This is the best TV that we make this year. It's 8K resolution, 4x 4K. 85 inches, it's our thinnest TV. The bezel is barely there. This is you know, the biggest and best Neo QLED TV that we have this year. On this wall, we have a 75-inch version of our Frame TV. We just have an accessory bezel around it from a company called Frame My TV that I can't reach both of them at the same time. There you go. So just an accessory bezel that simply snaps on.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, on top of it.
Wow.
Just to give it a even more convincing look.
Yeah, very grand.
Right? 55-inch QN80. So this is a 55-inch full array local dimming TV that happens to be in standby right now. On a Future Automations mount that fully retracts under the bed, which is pretty interesting.
See, this is what's so cool about this experience center is it's showing all of the real life applications of things that we can do for you here at Dreamedia. So again, use our free consultation service. Our audio video consultants would love to find very unique solutions for the situations that you guys are wanting.
And that's what hi-fi is all about, right? It's just whatever you can imagine, we can do in custom. And that's really what it's all about.
Absolutely.
Here are two ultra short throw projectors mounted with various screens that we have here. So this is a RGB 3 laser projector, 4K, full smart, has a little sound bar built into it.
Is this the 9T?
That's the 9T.
Nice. You guys know that Kellen, our national sales manager, is actually doing a side-by-side comparison, don't take this wrong, of all of the LG, Samsung, Epson, side-by-side. So you gotta smash that subscribe button down below, guys, because you're gonna see him doing that side-by-side comparison. But these Samsungs are super bright, vibrant, and look amazing.
Bring it. We'll take those comparisons all day long.
All right. That's what I like to hear.
This is the LSP7. This is a single laser projector with a color wheel. We like to show this on smaller screens, and obviously we have a 100-inch screen in this scenario, and it really makes it pop.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll go ahead and come back to this area because we do so many projection systems and do a side-by-side of these two and talk about it a little bit more. So subscribe to the channel, guys. We're going to keep moving through the Experience Center.
All right. So when people come to my Experience Center, this is really what they want to see, right? This is the thing that you can't really see many other places. This is a display that a lot of people come to see here at the Dallas Market Center. This is something that, you know, this is the only one in the Central Time Zone. It's a 146-inch direct view LED display. You're looking at about 25 million individual LEDs. You know, each pixel has a red, blue, green LED individually, times 4K resolution.
Yeah, this is insane, guys.
Yeah, this is 16 individual cabinets, and each cabinet is about the size of a 32-inch TV.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, if you want to go all out, this is next level.
And so, you know, I'm 6 foot tall, so for me, you know, kind of comparison-wise, you can really see how big the screen is.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot as well, not even making a dent.
Right, exactly. And so this is about $400,000 installed, so low price of $400,000. We can build this up to 292 inches, so if you can imagine this being 1/4 of that screen.
Yeah.
So not only do we do this, we put a lot of these displays in customers' homes. You know, obviously very high-end clients, but it has the best of both worlds. It's OLED black, but QLED brightness all in one display with a 20-bit panel. Nothing else out there is like it. So, you know, infinite contrast with super high brightness is really nothing else out there that's like the wall.
Yeah, this is super cool. I did a video on this a couple of years back at TV as well, so type that into YouTube with Dreamedia after, and it'll pop right up. And I might come back and do a separate video on this as well as the Samsung projectors. This thing is sick.
This is a 75-inch terrace outdoor TV. Full array local dimming, it's HDR capable. Its average brightness is 2000 nits with 4000 nit peaks. It's IP55 rated, which means it can get rained on with no problem. Dust isn't an issue. This version you'd want to put under cover. You know, it's you don't want to expose it to the sun, though we do have a full sun version of this display as well. It's just not this one that you see here. This is also our outdoor soundbar that goes along with it. That sounds phenomenal with you know, to go along with the Terrace TV.
Looks good too.
Looks great.
Nice. Okay. What else do we have?
We also have a whole array of commercial products in here as well. So this is an LCD 2x2 display that you see here. You know, each one is 1080p in and of its own. Can create 4K, or you can go bigger, you can go smaller, depending on what you would like to do. These are professional displays here. So that's the professional version of the outdoor terrace.
Yeah, and it looks like these are professional as well.
Yeah, so these are all professional displays as well. So this is the wall with 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch. So that's a 2x2 display that you see there. It's just the bigger, larger pixels than what you see there.
Nice.
And then 1.6 and then 2.5.
Yeah, so here at Dreamedia, we really do a lot of residential, and that's our primary focus. But for all my business owners out there, we do have you covered with all the industry-leading products as well. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the Samsung Experience Center. I'm out here at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas. Really thrilled to be here. COVID has held us down, and now we're out here exploring, meeting people face to face, and checking out all the industry-leading products. Again, guys, this Experience Center is open all the time by appointment only. So reach out to us today and schedule an appointment, and I'll have our sales consultants meet up with you, and we'll find an exact panel or solution for your needs at any budget and any situation. That's what we do here at Dreamedia, is we think outside the box. Like you saw the motorized mounts, you saw, you know, we got ultra short throw. No matter what your needs are, we have a solution for it. And again, the industry leading products here, guys. So reach out today and show your support. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.